Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video on this 2005 Ford F-350 King Ranch dually. If you're looking at it and you're saying, Michael, that paint looks kind of funky, that's because it's Kevlar. Yes, even the gold stripe on the bottom is Kevlar. With that being said, we're going to do tips and tricks on this dually. It's got a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20-inch Texas, we're gonna call them Texas wheels, also DFD wheels, and then some 37 by 1250 R20 DEESTONE Mud Crawler mud terrain tires. Let's talk about this 6-inch rough country lift kit. We've got a couple tips. The first one is make sure that you have a heavy duty pitman arm puller, because you will need to pull the pitman arm and it is a pain in the butt. Next, you get a new track bar relocation bracket on this lift. With that being said, when you disconnect the track bar, the body and the axles are gonna shift and they're not gonna wanna line up. Our tip with this is put the truck back on the ground and just turn the steering wheel, and it will shift the body either to the left or to the right, shift it in the right direction, and have somebody place that bolt back through the track bar, back through the new relocation bracket. Besides that, it's a relatively simple install. If you're looking at this video and you see that it's a dually and you're like, Michael, I don't know what to do with this stuff, it's a dually. Rough Country says it doesn't fit for a dually, and they're kind of right. The U-bolts do not fit for a dually. With that being said, if you want to run it on a dually, which I highly recommend, I absolutely love the way it looks. It is a little wide and barely fits in parking spaces in Texas, so that's something to take note of. But if you want to run it on a dually, the only thing that you need to worry about is your U-bolts on the rear. Make sure that you have outsourced a shop to make you U-bolts. Probably a local shop. It should cost somewhere in the ballpark of $100 for your 4 U-bolts that you need. I would recommend take off the U-bolts while you're lifting it, take it to the shop and say, hey, I need you to make these U-bolts just 4 inches longer, and it will honestly should probably take them 30 to 45 minutes. They'll bend you out a new set of U-bolts that fit it absolutely perfectly. Besides that, if you have any questions, there's a lot of questions with these dualies and fitting wheels and stuff like that. We would love to answer them for you. Leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, probably not the tires and wheels, but if you want the lift kit, go to our website, central-alps.com. We would love to sell it to you. Also, if you're looking for a vehicle and you want to buy it, and you want to buy it already lifted, and you don't have to get it lifted in Kevlar and everything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com. We will post all of the vehicles that dealers have for sale in their inventory that we have built for them. Already lifted, already done. The hope is that you can find the perfect truck or Jeep or 4Runner or Hummer or Tahoe, and you can call them up and buy it today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.